Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. I'm Angie. Today I'm going to do a recipe. It's called Pickled Cherries. Oh my gosh, it sounds amazing. I got the recipe from Heghineh Cooking Show off of YouTube. She does wonderful recipes over there. If you get time, get over there, check her out, and tell her Angie's Pantry sent you. Let's get this recipe going. The recipe is so easy. You're just stacking the ingredients together. Now I've already pre-washed the cherries, the beet, and I used my vinegar. I spray each thing of the cherries and the beet, and I used a scrubber on the beet because we're not peeling it. Now when you're storing your beets, if you keep the tops on and the root on, and I put it in my Tupperware Fridge Smart, and it shows here that it has no air because there's a little slider here. And then I wrap the tops. I don't wash them because they like to be dirty. And I wrap the top up with the paper towel, and I keep the little root on. And I won't wash them until I need them. Never ever store your vegetables clean because they like to be dirty when they be stored dry and dirty because no moisture can get in there. Alright, so anyways, you got that. So now we're going to layer. According to her recipe, we're going to use tarragon. And I just bought some because I don't have any. So I'm going to put tarragon in both jars. A little bit at the bottom. I buy my garlic pre-done, pre-peeled, not all the time, but when during canning season, it's so easier. And I'm going to squish mine, throw one in there. Okay. Now I didn't have whole red crushed peppers like she did, so I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit in there at the bottom. Allspice, whole allspice. I'm going to put in about 7 or 8 of them in the bottom. Let's go like that. Get them in there. I don't have whole pepper, but I've got cracked pepper. So I'm just going to take about a half of a tablespoon and put it in the bottom. Now we layer our cherries. Oh, I gotta put a beet in the bottom. So I'm gonna cut the top off and do a slice of beet in the bottom of each. And I'm using ball wide mouth jars. And throw the cherries. You don't pit them or nothing. You just leave them whole, and you have the stems on them because it makes it prettier. Now you're going to store this you're going to use this as an appetizer, or just to eat. Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit more of the tarragon in each jar. And we're just going to layer it all the way through. It's so easy. It's amazingly easy. Now these are refrigerator ones, so come the holidays they're going to be beautiful, but technically she said in 2 weeks that they'll be ready. Okay, we're getting to the top. So I'm going to push those cherries down. Get them in there good. Don't want to break them, but I'm going to push them down. This one I'll cut in half and split between the two. I'm going to add the rest of the tarragon, divide that up. Put a tablespoon of kosher salt per jar. Cider vinegar. One, two, three, four. 4 tablespoons per jar. Push the beets back down in there. Now I'm using Ice Mountain spring water. You can use your water. The reason I'm not, I live in town, so I don't want all the chlorine and all that stuff in there. So you just fill it up. And that's easy. That's it. Okay. Those 2 in there. All right. Tight as I can. I'm going to shake it up. She didn't do that, but I'm going to. And then that's our pickled cherries. We'll set them in the fridge and they'll be ready to eat after 2 weeks, but I'm going to have them there for the holidays. I'm going to burp that a little because I shook it up. Again, I would like to thank Heghineh Cooking Show for the recipe, and I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Have a great day. Bye.